In this video, we will see how to backup Snapchat memories and photos. Very easy and simple. You can create your photo backup in Snapchat. Here you can see some simple step to create backup in Snapchat. Just open Snapchat, click on your profile icon. Here you can see setting option. Just go to the setting to create your Snapchat backup. Scroll down this page. Here you can see find memories option. Just do simple setting in memories. Click this option. Here you can see smart backup and some other setting to create your Snapchat memories backup. Just tick this option and second click on save button and click on memories and camera roll. Just go back, click on auto save my story. Just click on second option. You can easily find this option to create your Snapchat memories backup by following this simple setting. This is memory simple setting. If you like this video, share a video with friend. In this channel you can learn many tips about social media, Snapchat tips and tricks and other many helpful videos. To everyone, like, subscribe, share our video with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.